we know that for economics you will easily get the resources, like you can cover your syllabus through standard books, through notes and hello, this side Himani, and in today's video, I am going to explain you about why to choose economics optional in as a optional in UPSC CAC exam. So let's get started with the video. First point, that is strong overlap with journal studies. So the main reason to choose economics as an optional, it has like overlap syllabus with the journal studies. So economics content in GS paper, economics features promotely in GS पेपर थ्री. जो GS पेपर थ्री में आप जो इकोनॉमिक्स होता है वो पूरा कवर उसका पार्ट होता है, covering essential topics like economic development, budgeting, agriculture and trade. Additionally, economics is relevant to GS paper 2, 4 in understanding governance, social issue and ethics in economics decision making. So इकोनॉमिक्स अगर हम एज अ ऑप्शनल चूज करते हैं तो उसमें ये सारा जो रहता है उसमें जीएस के पेपर के साथ वो ओवरलैप करता है, ताकि आपका जो जीएस का बैकग्राउंड है ऑप्शनल आपका साथ साथ प्रिपेयर होता रहता है. सो इसमें आपको ज्यादा एफर्ट नहीं लगाने होते हैं. आप अगर ऑप्शनल की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं तो आपका जीएस जो पार्ट है इसमें ये सारा ये आपका साथ साथ में कवर होता रहेगा. नेक्स्ट, यूजफुल इन एसए एंड करंट अफेयर्स. So economics is we all know that economics is useful in our current affair and in essay writing also. So there are some topics related to economics that will come in the exam, like in essay exam. So it is more helpful in essay and current affair also. So economics topics are often integral to essay writing, and a strong understanding of economics can enhance the quality of your essay and current affair analysis. So, through economics, you can enhance your analysis toward current affairs and like essay writing. So, it will also help in both the exam, like current affair part will also cover if you are opting economics as the optional, and your essay writing and current affair both part will be covered easily. So it will help in these paper also. Now come to the next point, that is scoring potential. So why it is the scoring potential? Analytical and objective components. Economics include a mix of theory, data interpretation and a problem solving, allowing candidate to offer clear objective answer that can be more scoring than subjective responses. Diagram, graphs and data points add value answer, demonstrate depth. So इसमें आपका जो थ्रू डायग्राम, आपका ग्राफ्स एंड डाटा पॉइंट्स के थ्रू जो आपका आंसर है उसमें और ज्यादा एनहेंस होके आप प्रॉपर उसको एक स्ट्रक्चर वे में लिखते हैं. सो इट विल आल्सो एनालिटिकल एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव कंपोनेंट्स. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट दैट इज लेस सब्जेक्टिव मार्किंग. इसमें लेस सब्जेक्टिव मार्किंग होती है. व्हाई? सिंस इकोनॉमिक्स आंसर ऑफन अलाउ लॉजिकल पैटर्न्स, दे आर लेस सब्जेक्टिव टू एग्जामिनर्स इंटरप्रिटेशन विच कैन समटाइम रिजल्ट इन मोर कॉन्स्टेंट स्कोरिंग. सो ये क्या होता है कि बहुत ज्यादा स्कोरिंग भी होता है. आप इसको अपने अकॉर्डिंग भी चीजें इसमें आप थोड़ा एड ऑन कर सकते हैं थ्रू आप जैसे इसमें है कि आप ग्राफ्स के थ्रू, डायग्राम्स के थ्रू, कुछ पॉइंट्स, डाटा पॉइंट्स के थ्रू इसमें आप इजिली आंसर्स को अपने अकॉर्डिंग आर्टिकुलेट कर सकते हैं. सो इसमें क्या होता है कि काफी हेल्पफुल होता है, लेस सब्जेक्टिव मार्किंग होता है. ओके, नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, दैट इज सपोर्ट इन द इंटरव्यू स्टेज. So not only in mains exam, your final stage of UPSC CSC exam is your interview. So it will also play a great role in interviews. So some students will get nervous when they are going to give their interview. So it will also helpful in their interview exam. So while you are preparing for economics optional, so along with that you have to your like journal studies paper is also along with that you can is cover your general studies paper and your interview preparation. So it is a great role in these these paper also. So support in the interview stage, relevance to the economy and policy discussion. So economics issue are common in interview stage. So there are some economic issues that are common in interview stage. So if you study economics optional, so you will cover all that part, so it will help you in your uh, interview discussion. So your economic issues, where candidates are often asked about India's economic policies. So what are the Indian economics policies? Examiner can also ask this thing, so you can easily cover in your economics optional subject. Reform and social sector schemes, like social sector schemes, some, so you will get all these things from your when while you are preparing for your economic as a optional. A strong understanding of economics help in articulating clear, informed opinion on issue like inflation, unemployment, and fiscal policies. So these are some points that are covered in your while you are preparing for economics as an optional. So you will also get all the ideas related to these points. So it will also help in your interview preparation. That is must. So now come to the next point, that is availability of resources and structured syllabus, standard resources. So we know that for economics you will easily get the resources, like you can cover your syllabus through standard books, through notes, and some students will take coaching online, offline, so you can easily cover your syllabus. If you if you have interest to studying economics, so you will easily cover the syllabus of it. So the syllabus is well defined, so ये well defined syllabus है, and multiple high quality resources, standard books. As I told you that there are so many standard books are present in market, so through that you can cover your economics optional. Coaching notes, you can also get the coaching notes and online material. So sometimes you can also find the online material, through that you can also prepare from there, cover nearly every part of it. So all these things will help you to cover your syllabus. So it is standard resources. So availability of resources and structured syllabus. So it is also known for it, like easily there is available of resources, so you can study from there. So it will help you to cover your syllabus. So this is more important. Now come to the next, that is guidance from toppers and mentor. You can also get guidance and mentor from the toppers who already gave the exam of UPSC. So they have great knowledge and idea about what are the pattern and which type of questions are asked by the UPSC. So through that you will proper get the idea from your mentors. Economics has been a popular choice among successful candidates, resulting in rich repository of toppers, notes, strategies, and previous year question breakdowns, making it easier to follow a structured study plan. If you know that you are when you see your previous year question paper, it will also help you a lot. Some like test series also. So through this you can easily cover up your syllabus and breakdown, make it is easy to follow a structured study plan. So इससे आपका क्या होगा कि आपको प्रॉपर एक structured plan मिल जाएगा कि like what are the exact pattern, how to articulate your answer in how much word. So all these things you will get from like previous year question paper, while you are solving previous year question paper. So it will help you a lot when you are preparing for your optional subject. So you must have to do these things. Now come to the next point, that is highly relevant for a career in civil service. So ये highly relevant होता है, like practical application in administrative roles. So ये practical application होता है in administrative roles, enhance decision making skill. It will also enhance your decision making skill. So if you know about each and everything about the syllabus, so it will also enhance decision making skills. Okay, so it also help in this. Now come to the last point, that is dynamic and engaging subject. So it is dynamic and engaging subject. So you can easily cover your syllabus. Okay, so it is not that much like difficult if you are study your syllabus with interesting. You are if you show your interest in syllabus, so it will easily cover up. Okay, so real world relevance, and another that is perspective on social development. So these are some points that are required why to choose economics optional in UPSC CAC exam. So hope you understand. I already covered all these important points that is used like important to why to choose economics as an optional subject. I hope this video is helpful to you. So for like you can go through the video, and if you like this video then do let me know. Thank you.